Top 5 Luxury Pickup Trucks in 2022. Pickup trucks in luxury. Well, a few years ago I'd say it's nonsense. But now these towing monsters full packed with all the creature comforts you'd typically find in a high-end sedan or SUV. When it comes to choosing a pickup truck, I'm looking for a legacy of durability, nor the fanciest leather-lined cabin and an admired badge. But Toyota, Ford, GMC and others believe that combining durability and luxury is not a bad thing. Yes, these pickups are expensive, but some people still buying them. Every truck in this list is capable enough for most needs, but it also has lots of fancy, luxurious features. Which one does the best job of pampering its occupants? And before we start, think about taking care of your vehicle. Cover it from water, thieves, wind, ultraviolet rays, dust, and natural hazard. Use quality car covers. Watch the link in the description. And let's start our top. Toyota Tundra Capstone. New Tundra Capstone is literally a Lexus pickup, which means all it needs is a badge swap. Seriously, Tundra is no longer content to only go after off-road enthusiasts and those seeking a basic workhorse. Look at these 22 inches chrome wheels. You won't go off-road with these fancy things. What if you scratch them? It will be a disaster. Once aboard, you'll be astonished at the leap that Toyota has taken from the previous Tundra generation to this one. The Capstone comes with semi-aniline leather upholstery, the same material you'll find on upper-spec versions of the all-new Lexus LX. In this plush, Tundra comes in an exclusive black and white color combination and is complemented by authentic dark American walnut wood with an open-pore finish, acoustic glass, panoramic roof, a 12.3 inches digital driver's display, a 14 inches touchscreen, a 10 inches color head-up display, and heated, ventilated seats in both rows are all standard. Well, this car also has a powerful 437 horsepower hybrid powertrain and an adaptive variable setup with load-leveling rear height control air suspension make for smooth, refined progress. For this fancy truck you have to pay $73,500, but your neighbors will be more than impressed. Ford F-150 Limited. Like all the trucks in this list, the Ford F-150 Limited is filled to the brim with luxury trimmings. This brutal F-150 comes with power deployable running boards, satin chrome exterior trim, 22 inches polished aluminum wheels, and a twin-panel moonroof. There are standard leather seats inside with 10-way power adjustability in front. The truck has also heated ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and genuine wood interior trim. A classy and cool Admiral blue color scheme is unique to this model. A clear 12 inches touchscreen and a digital gauge cluster are standard, and the sound system has 18 speakers. A Blue Cruise system in F-150 is standard, along with a forward sensing system and active park assist. Whereas the Tundra Capstone comes with 4x4 as standard. The $74,335 F-150 Limited only has 4x2 as standard. Add the 4x4 system and the price rises to $77,760. If you want a Power Boost hybrid powertrain, you have to pay an additional $1,900 to get close to the Tundra Capstone's outputs. Chevrolet Silverado 15.0 High Country. Chevy has worked hard to improve the Silverado 15.0, and like GMC Sierra, the truck has been comprehensively facelifted. The most luxurious Silverado 15.0 trim is called High Country, and you know that last year's model had a plastic cabin and an uninspired design. But the new 2022 model has lots of improvements. For example, a 12.3 inches digital instrument cluster and a new 13.4 inches touchscreen. High Country trim also comes with authentic open-pore wood trim and leather upholstery. Stainless steel speaker grills for the Bose sound system are pleasing to the eye as well. A High Country Silverado comes with the Super Cruise system, which allows hands-free driving on compatible roads. Also, High Country is embellished with large chrome alloys up to 22 inches in size. Silverado costs about $60,000, and it's much cheaper than the top GMC Sierra. But GMC offers better standard equipment. Ram 15.0 Limited. It was the time when Ram 1500 had the nicest cabin in this class. Now this truck in its luxury trim costs about $60,595. The price is far below its rivals, but digging deeper reveals why this is. First of all, the 1500 Limited rides on only 20 inches wheels by default. 22 inches polished wheels are available, but for extra money. You also have to pay $1,495 for a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, and $1,000 for Ram's multi-function tailgate. The Ram still rides more smoothly than most other trucks, a huge part of what makes it feel luxurious. Acoustic glass in front doors aids in keeping the cabin quiet. Black leather seats are standard, but this color doesn't look as welcoming as the lighter Ford and Toyota cabins. And if you want premium quilted leather bucket seats, you're forced to spend $3,200 more on the turbodiesel engine. Standard adaptive cruise control is an option here. Its 12 inches touchscreen was great when the latest 1500 launched, but now Toyota and GMC have even larger displays. Ram 1500 Limited has 8-way power front seats with ventilation and heating. Its rear seats are heated too. The car also has a 7-inch display between traditional gauges and a 9-speaker sound system. But again, rivals offer a more advanced fully digital display. So, the 1500 Ram may cost less, but you need to add a lot of extras to get it closer to the other trucks on this list. It's a perfectly classy pickup, but it's now been surpassed. GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. This truck was previously shown at the 2022 Chicago Auto Show, and it looks cool. Outside, this range topper is distinguished by a bespoke grille in Vader chrome, large 22 inches wheels with machined accents, power assist steps, and the brand's versatile multi-pro tailgate. Open-pore Paldau wood trim completes the picture, and topographical maps of the summit of Mount Denali are laser-etched into it. It's a bit cheesy, but it's another detail that sets apart the Denali Ultimate. GMC has pulled out all the stops in the Denali Ultimate's interior. There's a leather-trimmed instrument panel, leather seating upholstery, a premium micro-suede headliner, and even the L&B pillar handles are leather-wrapped. The sumptuous front seats are cooled, heated, a 16-way power adjustable, and will massage your tired back. The Denali Ultimate is also loaded with technology. It has a 12-speaker Bose sound system, a 15 inches multicolor head-up display, a 13.4 inches touchscreen, and a digital gauge cluster. The partially autonomous system called Super Cruise helps on the highway along with the unstressed 6.2-liter V8. And adaptive ride control suspension will almost make you forget you're in a truck at all. But the price bites. Truck starting from $78,700, and it's pricier than a Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. So, that's it. Hope you like such video format. If so, please press like button and write some comment. And don't forget to cover your car.